Good day again, everyone. I hope you're having a great day as always. And today we'll do another toy unboxing and review. And this time we'll review the Hot Wheels Porsche 934.5. So this one was released last year. So this is kind of a throwback review. But anyways, I really like the look of this car, and I really like Porsches, so I'm doing this review of this Porsche. So a little info here: the Porsche 934.5 in real life was made in 1977 and is a hybrid of the Porsche 934 and the 935. So basically this car was designed to compete in races. So let's crack this one open. I already cut the plastic so that we'll be doing just one take for this review. So I really like how Porsches look, and this one is again no exception to that. And a plus side to this Porsche is its white paint job, which is one of my favorite paint jobs in cars, because the white paint job makes cars look neat. So they're simple but a neat color for cars. So this one has a different rim style than some mainline series cars. So some mainline cars have 10 spokes rims that are straight, while this one goes a little bit wide. So the gray or the blue-gray rim color of this car goes well with the white paint job of the car. This one, you can't clearly see the interior because the tint of the window is a little bit just a little bit darker, so it's not clear plastic. And the color of the interior, I think this one is brownish red. But it comes with the interior. I think it's the same with most mainline cars, in the sense that it has a solid circle steering wheel, which is what Hot Wheels are giving their cars, making for their cars. Now, since this is a racing car, the big spoiler is quite understandable. So again, it has a very low stance. So the front lip almost hits the ground. So if you push the one side of the fender, you can see that it does hit the ground already. But in normal stance, it doesn't but almost hits the ground. So the Porsche, this Porsche, like all Porsche, has a wider rear compared to its back. So I like cars that looks like that. So the Datsun also looks this way, in which the back is wider than the front. So this one has front tampos. The headlight here is has details, and it has a Porsche logo at the front, although it doesn't have the grille here. It's not painted black, which should be, because in real life grills are black. So it has a black accent here. Other than that, it has no rear tampos, no rear decals. At the side, it has a Porsche decal here. So overall, really good car. I like the feel of the car when it's on my hand, because it feels hefty and solidly built. Oops. Really awesome looking car. So that's it for my unboxing and review of the Porsche 934.5 from the Hot Wheels Factory Fresh series. Really great looking car. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification icon. Please like and comment on the videos, and keep on collecting. Thank you again. Bye.